If you're tired of dropping songs that barely get any traction and you're tired of watching less talented artists than you blow up, then this video is for you. I'm Adrian and I've helped artists go from 0 real fans to thousands of fans. I've even helped artists land on multiple editorial playlists, get booked, and even launch their own coaching program to support their artistry. But I didn't start there. Early on, I poured my heart into music, but nothing moved. I was releasing tracks, hyping drops, and posting on social media, but I still felt invisible. But what changed everything? I stopped waiting for fans to find me and I started building a system. And here's the truth. Most artists don't have a marketing problem. They have a visibility problem and structure problem. They post randomly, change directions every month, and rely on luck instead of strategy. And when people don't understand what you're all about, they keep scrolling. Not because you're bad, but because there's no frame around you. So they have no reason to stick around. For example, Daniel Presley actually called it the 7-11-4 rule. Fans need 7 hours of exposure, 11 interactions with you across 4 content types. So that's video, written, audio, and in person. And the funny thing is, Google actually backs this up. They say no one takes action after one post. It takes consistent, valuable touch points to actually build trust. That's why some artists go viral once and then fade away, while others build empires. And you may know some of these artists. So how do you build real lasting authority? It's not luck. I actually call it the artist empire, and it's a 5-part framework. Part 1 is positioning, clarifying your identity so fans actually know what you're about. Part 2 is content, short form storytelling content that builds trust and awareness. Part 3 is distribution. Stop renting attention and start building your own database. That includes email, followers, and SMS. Part 4 is monetization, and that's creating an offer that your fans actually want. And part 5 is optimization. Find what works and then double down and repeat the process. I literally spent the last 3 months building a new music marketing 2.0 course. It's called the Artist Empire, and literally I'm taking everything that I know from building artists, building a massive label, doing super large events, monetizing music, getting hundreds of thousands of monthly listeners, millions of streams on Spotify, and I'm putting it all in this course. Even showing you guys how to make content using AI to help you go viral. So if you're interested in growing as an artist and structuring your music career as a business, then this is going to be the perfect course for you, because I show you step by step on how to turn yourself into a business and start making money from music. So go and click the link below and check out that course. Now let's talk YouTube. Most artists overlook it, and that's a huge opportunity. YouTube is searchable, so fans can find you months later. It gives you longer attention span than TikTok and Instagram, so fans will remember you more. And you build authority through bingeable content. And this is how you start stacking up hours of consumption, building more interaction with you across all the content type, because YouTube covers all those content types. And you don't need crazy edits and millions of subscribers. You just need value, consistency, and a clear message. Now, if you don't know how to start, I'm gonna tell you, even if you're nervous on camera, start with simple faceless and chill content. Why I love this song, the real meaning behind this video, how I made this beat. You can also use the vibe method. Vibe is value, teach and share a story, has intro, grab attention fast. It uses behind the scenes, be human, not polished, and engagement. Ask something and tease what's next. Batch 3 to 4 pieces of content every single week. You don't need to post daily. All you have to do is be consistent. Take Jamie, an indie R&B artist who started with only 800 monthly listeners. She started posting weekly videos in her bedroom, casually breaking down the song and the stories behind it. After 3 months, she has 10,000 followers, brand deals, and fans DMing her saying, "I feel like I know you." She didn't change her sound, she only changed her strategy. Look, most artists stay stuck not because they're not good, but because they're afraid to commit, afraid to show up before they feel ready, afraid to try things that might not work on the first try. But the artists who wins are the ones that treat their music as a career, as a business, not as a hobby. Artist Empire is not about hustling 24/7. It's about clarity, consistency, and connections. That's how you build something that lasts. So if you're done sitting on great music, and if you're tired of inconsistent results and want a fan base that actually shows up, then check out this next video. I'll walk you through the #1 mistakes that artists are making when they're trying to grow online and the exact shift that changed everything for me. All right, so I'll see you guys in the next video.